Hey, this is Max with Sunstoppers Glass Tinting. We just finished up this job here at the Cornelius Fire Department. We put the Evening View 15 with 76% heat rejection, 83% glare reduction, and 99% UV protection. The Evening View 15 film is dual reflective, and it is reflective on the outside and neutral on the inside. So it provides you a good visibility looking out during nighttime. And during daytime, it gives you security because it's reflective on the outside, so you can't see inside the building. So we're here on the second floor of the firehouse, and we're tinting some of the windows up near the elevator. The main concern here was afternoon sun. We usually measure out the windows. We pre-cut the film and just roll it out, and then install it, squeegee it out, cut it, and then clean it up. So we put some XR20 on the garage doors as there's no air conditioning inside, so we are trying to cut down some of the heat in there as well. If you want to reach out to us and get a free estimate, you can call Ross at 704-231-8468. We provide free quotes, and we usually can come out there pretty promptly.